Problem does every lawyer, nurse, certified professional trainer, real estate agent, security professional have in common? Their credentials for continuing education. I have, I'll bet you, 700 or almost 800 hours that I have to count for all the certifications that I have. And there are hundreds of thousands of professionals that have the same problem. Why is it so bad? Well, you have different cycles. My project manager professional cycle is 3 years. My security certifications are 3. Some are 120 credits. Others are like 60 credits. What happens? You get down to the end, and you've got to come up with these continuing education hours, and now you have a crunch. And also, you can lose your certification. So there are hundreds of thousands of professionals worldwide that can use this mobile app, and also it can be used on the desktop. My team is Creds, and join me if you'd like to have a fun challenge on a real usable project.